All right, everyone, buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 things you should never, ever do in an automatic car. These are the mistakes that destroy transmissions, empty wallets, and turn perfectly good cars into metal nightmares. And trust me, number 8 is something even experienced drivers mess up all the time. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1. Never shift into park while the car is still moving. Even a tiny roll can grind the parking pawl, that little metal piece that locks your wheels, into dust. It's a small part with a huge repair cost. Always stop completely before shifting to P. Number 2. Never shift into reverse while rolling forward. It might feel harmless if you're moving slowly, but inside your transmission, gears are spinning at different speeds. Forcing reverse slams them together and can cause instant internal damage. Number 3. Don't use neutral to coast downhill. It doesn't save fuel. Modern cars already manage that. What it does do is take away your engine braking and your control. One bad corner and neutral becomes your worst enemy. Number 4. Never rest your hand on the gear selector. Sounds silly, right? But even a small amount of weight adds pressure to the selector mechanism inside the transmission. Over time, that light little hand can lead to expensive repairs. Keep both hands on the wheel, where they belong. Number 5. Never rev the engine in neutral and slam it into drive. Some people do this to launch their cars fast, and all they really launch is transmission damage. The sudden shock hits your gears harder than you think. Number 6. Never ignore your transmission fluid. This is the lifeblood of an automatic. Old, burnt, or low fluid can make your transmission slip, overheat, or fail completely. A quick check can save thousands. Number 7. Don't keep your foot on the brake at red lights. That constant pressure heats up the transmission and brake components. Use the handbrake or shift into neutral if you're going to be stopped for a while. Number 8. Never use the wrong driving mode for the wrong situation. Sport mode on slippery roads? Dangerous. Low gear on the highway? Bad idea. Eco mode when towing? Even worse. Know what each mode does and use them smartly. Number 9. Don't overload your car. Too much weight puts extra stress on the engine and the transmission. You might not notice the damage right away, but the heat and strain add up fast. And number 10. Never start your car and instantly drive off. Give it a few seconds. Let the fluids move and everything wake up. Think of it like stretching before a workout. Your transmission needs that tiny warm-up too. And there you have it. 10 things you should never do in an automatic car. Master these and your car will last longer, drive smoother, and save you a ton of money. If even one of these surprised you, hit that like button, subscribe for more driving tips, and tell me in the comments which bad habit you've been guilty of. No judgment. We're learning together.